Here's the home of Fred the Forest Ranger. He doesn't feel cut off from the rest of the world because he has television to keep him company. But even out here in the wilderness, trouble can develop. When it does, though, Fred isn't worried. It's an RCA Victor television set, and that means he can count on RCA factory service to set things right again.
Call RCA Factory Service. There's a branch in most cities, and you can depend on RCA Factory Service. Ask one of your neighbors or ask any friend. Your TV troubles are bothering you, and your little family's unhappy and blue. Call on the boys who know just what to do. Call RCA Factory Service.
America's finest television deserves America's finest service. For the telephone number of the RCA Service Company branch nearest you, consult your classified directory.